Hello and welcome to the news on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. First, a quick look at the headlines. ICPC sues El-Rufai's ex-aide Jimi Lawal for alleged money laundering. Nigeria faces Senegal, Congo and Sudan in Group D of the African Nations Championships. Tanzania denies suspected Marburg outbreak after WHO alert. And now full details of the news. The Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission has filed a 5-count charge against Jimi Lawal, a former senior advisor to ex-Kaduna State Governor Nasir El-Rufai. Lawal, alongside Umar Waziri, Yusuf Unwa, and Solar Life Nigeria Limited, is accused of unlawful diversion of public funds and money laundering. According to the charge sheet filed on January 15, 2025 by the Assistant Chief Legal Officer of ICPC, Osubeni Akpomi Sinha, Lawal allegedly took control of 10 million naira from the Kaduna State's Accountant General Operational Account in 2018. The fund was reportedly transferred to the Guarantee Trust Bank account of Solar Life Nigeria Limited, for which Lawal was the sole signatory. The National Assembly's Joint Committee on Finance has proposed a 25 trillion naira revenue target for the Federal Inland Revenue Service in the 2025 fiscal year. The proposal follows commendation for the FIRS chairman, Zak Adedeji, who surpassed the 2024 revenue target of 19.4 trillion by collecting 21.6 trillion naira. Deputy Chairman of the House Committee on Finance, Seidu Musa Abdullahi, praised the performance as unprecedented but urged the FIRS to adopt strategies from South Africa which generate more tax revenue despite a smaller population. And now we dive into the world of sports. Nigeria will face Senegal, Sudan, and Republic of Congo in Group D of the 8th African Nations Championship, now rescheduled for August 2025. The tournament will still be jointly hosted by Tanzania, Kenya, and Uganda. At the draw held in Nairobi, Kenya was placed in Group A alongside Morocco, Angola, DR Congo, and Zambia. The opening match will feature host Kenya against 2018 winners Morocco. And on the international scene, Tanzania has reported a World Health Organization report about a suspected outbreak of the Ebola-like Marburg virus in the Kagera region. WHO had earlier reported 9 suspected cases, including 8 deaths, over the last 5 days. However, Tanzania's Health Minister, Jacinta Mahagama, stated that all samples tested negative for the virus. She assured the public that the country has strengthened its surveillance and disease monitoring system. Up next is the entertainment news. Internet personality Vincent Otise Martins, popularly known as Very Dark Man, has accused former Dunamis pastor Abraham Daniel for attempting to blackmail the church founder, Pastor Paul Eneche. VDM alleged that the ex-pastor sought financial gains through emotional manipulation and later resorted to defamatory videos targeting Pastor Eneche. The controversy follows Daniel's recent detention for alleged criminal defamation. And with that, we end the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Procyon RTV. Also, to get the latest news, visit our website at www.procyonnews.com. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us and don't forget to keep shining like the star you are.